I am greeting you the best greeting, that is peace of Allah be upon you. After my greeting, my name is Awkar Mustaf Noor. After that, good morning, ladies, gentlemen, honorable guests, teachers, and students who devoted their precious time to attend this graduation of ceremony at the Marwas Institute of Information Technology and Advanced Students. After this valuable greeting today, I would like to say something about our school. It's called Marwas. It is an immense honor for us to complete our computer course at the Marwas Institute of Information Technology and Advanced Students. And as for us, we know Marwas is the one of the best school in this town in terms of the information technology. Marwas has made much more efforts, to produce the best student in Baidoa, Somalia in each and every year. The teachers at Marwas devoted their time to install the knowledge into the hearts of the students who are well ready to benefit from the teachers. After that, I want to add the importance of the teachers in the world. First, ask yourself why teachers are important. Who can tell us the importance of the teachers? Because teachers are the most important members of the society. Teachers play an important role in everyone's life to become a good human being in the society and a good citizen for the country. Teachers know that students are the best. Teachers know that students are the future of the nation. Second, a child, when comes in this world, knows nothing. He learns everything from the environment and the society from the teachers. He gains knowledge and education which isn't possible if there is no guidance to provide it. Just like our parents, teachers are also important in our life. They teach us wisdom in doing everything. They give us moral support to encourage us to live equally and to treat everyone equally. Encourage students. The third point, I am talking the importance of the teachers. The third point, encourage students. How teachers encourage students? Teachers encourage students to grow more as they often look to the teachers for everything. Teachers play an essential role in everyone's life. Not only do they teach us in school, but we also learn many useful things like moral values, social economic, and others, and how to treat the people and be friendly with our classmates. After that, we are Marwas students. We thank our honest teacher with our sincere hearts. They peace to open us and whatever they taught us. Thank you very much. So I can give back.